Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add sound effects in DaVinci Resolve. So yeah, we have few options, methods basically, uh, exactly three. So yeah, uh, let's go through each of them. And yeah, method number one is, as you can probably know, DaVinci Resolve offers a completely free, royalty-free institutional sound effect package. So what you need to do is head to the edit page, then click the sound library button located at the upper left side of your screen. If your local database is completely blank, a download button prompt will appear. Click it to register and download the sound package. Alright, now that you completed the quick installer process, restart DaVinci Resolve and now reopen the sound library. Now what you need to do is click here in this drop down and select from local database to Fairlight Sound Library. And probably you still doesn't see anything. So what you need to do, the visual shortcut is that we type in this search bar these three stars. This is like act as a master code to instantly force display every single installed effect without needing specific keyword. And now, as you can see, we have here some sounds stored right here, and you can use them right so. And I think this is pretty cool. All right, now the second method will be like that we link our existing sound pack, so it's more like local database. So this is if you have folders or of downloaded sound packs, what you're going to do is simply here in sound library, ensure the top drop down selector is still toggled here and to local database. You will see no library connected. Click on this button add library and we will select from basically our computer. And when you select one of these folders, Resolve will automatically list all the sounds effects right here in this sidebar. Now, for simple one-off audio adjustments, skipping library organization is faster for you. What you're going to do is open media pool like so. And what you're going to do, you also need to try to download a music or something or effect and just drag and drop right into this media pool. It will be right here. So what you need to do, then you can just drag it everywhere you want. So you can drag it in this timeline and you will see that audio clip will show up. And these are three methods that you can use for add sound effects in DaVinci Resolve. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next